Hello and welcome to Golden Wisdom Talks. I'm so glad you're here because today we're going to talk about something that affects many older adults but often goes overlooked: leg health. As we age, our legs can become a source of pain, weakness, or limited mobility. And if not properly cared for, they can even lead to something called leg death, which is the loss of function due to poor circulation, nerve damage, or other age-related issues. But here's the good news. With the right diet and habits, you can protect your legs and keep them strong and healthy as you get older. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 specific foods you should start eating now to prevent leg health issues and maintain your mobility for years to come. So whether you're in your golden years or you care for a loved one who is, this video is for you. Let's dive into how you can start protecting your legs today. As we age, our bodies naturally go through several changes. For many people, those changes affect the legs in significant ways. We experience muscle weakening, slower circulation, and often deal with conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. These conditions can make walking, standing, and even basic mobility more challenging. If left unchecked, they can even result in severe complications such as amputation or permanent loss of movement. It's important to remember that leg health isn't just about avoiding pain or discomfort. It's about maintaining the strength and mobility you need to stay active, live independently, and continue doing the things you love. Whether it's taking a walk in the park, gardening, or simply standing up without assistance, healthy legs are key to an active and fulfilling life. Now, when we talk about leg health, one of the biggest issues older adults face is something called leg death. It sounds a bit dramatic, but this term refers to the gradual breakdown of leg function, often caused by poor circulation, nerve damage, or other conditions that limit blood flow and muscle health. When blood flow to the legs is reduced, tissues and muscles begin to weaken, causing discomfort, swelling, pain, and in extreme cases, immobility. This is why it's essential to keep the blood flowing properly, nourish your muscles, and take care of the overall health of your legs. The good news is that many of these conditions are preventable and manageable. One of the most effective ways to support healthy legs as we age is through nutrition. Eating the right foods can have a huge impact on your circulation, muscle strength, and overall leg health. So let's talk about the foods that can help keep your legs strong, active, and healthy. The first food I want to highlight is fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy circulation. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation, promote better blood flow, and lower the risk of blood clots, issues that can directly affect leg health. But that's not all. Fatty fish are also a great source of protein, which is crucial for maintaining muscle mass. As we age, we naturally lose muscle, which can contribute to leg weakness and reduced mobility. By including fatty fish in your diet, you can help preserve your muscles and improve their function, keeping your legs strong and capable of supporting your daily activities. Next up, we have leafy greens, which should be a regular part of your diet. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with potassium, vitamin K, and magnesium, all nutrients that play an important role in maintaining good circulation and muscle health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which is critical for preventing conditions like peripheral artery disease, PAD, which affects circulation in the legs. Vitamin K is essential for healthy blood vessels, and magnesium helps prevent muscle cramps and weakness. Leafy greens are also full of antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. By incorporating these powerful veggies into your meals, you'll give your legs the support they need to stay strong and active. Moving on, let's talk about berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These tiny fruits may be small, but they're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which are great for keeping your blood vessels strong and your circulation healthy. Vitamin C is necessary for collagen production, which helps maintain the integrity of your blood vessels, keeping them flexible and strong. But that's not all. Berries also contain flavonoids, which are compounds that have been shown to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. If you want to keep your legs healthy and promote better circulation, adding a handful of berries to your daily diet is an easy and delicious way to do so. Another great addition to your diet is nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds. These foods are a fantastic source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which, as we discussed, are essential for maintaining good circulation and muscle function. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, support cardiovascular health, and keep your blood flowing properly. Nuts and seeds are also packed with magnesium and vitamin E, both of which are vital for muscle health and nerve function. Magnesium helps your muscles function properly, while vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage. A small handful of nuts or seeds each day can support circulation, reduce inflammation, and improve your overall leg health. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but they're also full of beta-carotene and vitamin A, both of which support tissue repair and help protect your cells from damage. They're also a great source of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes overall digestive health. Since blood sugar regulation is key to preventing nerve damage and circulation issues, sweet potatoes are a wonderful food for supporting leg health. Sweet potatoes provide a good amount of complex carbohydrates, which offer sustained energy, helping to fuel your muscles and keep them strong. Adding sweet potatoes to your meals can promote better circulation, healthier muscles, and overall leg function. So, there you have it. 5 foods that can help you prevent leg death and support healthy, strong legs as you age. Along with eating these nutrient-rich foods, there are other habits you can incorporate into your daily routine to ensure your legs stay strong. It's important to stay active, even if it's just a gentle walk around the block. Exercise helps maintain muscle strength, promotes healthy blood flow, and keeps your joints flexible. Hydration is also key, so make sure you drink plenty of water throughout the day to support circulation and prevent cramps. Regular stretching can also make a huge difference in keeping your muscles flexible and preventing stiffness or pain. And of course, it's important to avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption, as both can negatively affect circulation and overall health. By making small changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can significantly improve your leg health and reduce the risk of complications like leg pain, weakness, or immobility. The more proactive you are now, the better your chances of maintaining healthy legs as you get older. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Golden Wisdom Talks for more health tips. Take care and keep your legs strong and healthy, and